Hi everyone, and welcome to our Trojan Label T3OPX tech support video tutorial. Today, we'll review print engine replacement. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the print engine when it's reached the end of its life, or in the event that there's a malfunction with the print engine. Carefully open and unpack the replacement print engine, as the packaging should be reused to store and ship back the original print engine. First, we need to set the printer into manufacturing mode before we proceed with the engine replacement. Open the service menu by going to the T3OPX tab and pressing on the touchscreen on these 3 points in sequential order from left to right. 1, 2, 3. The password is 321 and then hit OK. Place the system in manufacturing mode by touching Cancel Purge for next power on and hit OK. Power off the system. Remove all the ink cartridges from the system and install the orange ink cavity filler for shipping. These will be included with the replacement print engine. Remove the print unit top cover. Please note, it's not necessary to remove the 3 print actuators to remove the top cover. Simply lift the top cover while guiding the cables away from the cover. Remove the right side panel. Remove the front panel by removing these 10 screws. Remove the left side panel by turning these 4 thumb screws counterclockwise, and then lift the panel away. You'll now be able to access these flex cables from the top or from the small window opening in the front of the unit. The 2 gray cables are removed by placing 1 finger below the cable and 1 on top of the cable and gently pulling the cable straight back until it's fully unseated from the connector. The black cable must be unlocked by releasing the locking tab below the cable before it can be removed in the same fashion as the gray cables. Now tape the flex cables down on the flex cable holder. Note: you can use one of the blue tapes found on the new print engine, or if you have your own tape, make sure you utilize something that won't leave any residue or cause any damage. Be careful with the cables. Make sure they don't make contact with anything while removing or installing the engine. Before removing the print engine, install 2 orange shipping inserts. Remove the 3 screws holding the print engine. Locate the service station adjustment screw found below the ink cartridge compartment on the back of the printer and insert a Torx T20 screwdriver. Remove the print engine by pulling it out towards you while turning the Torx T20 screwdriver clockwise and gently rocking the engine up and down until it's free from the print unit chassis. Installing the new print engine. Tape the flex cables in the same manner as the print engine that was removed. Note: you can use one of the pieces of blue tape included on the print engine. Locate the service station adjustment screw found below the ink cartridge compartment on the back of the printer and insert the Torx T20 screwdriver. Carefully slide the print engine into position by lifting it over the service tray rod. Please note, on the left side of the engine, there's a wing that must go above the rail found inside the frame. Push the engine in while turning the Torx T20 screwdriver counterclockwise and gently rocking the engine up and down until it's all the way in. Observe that the hooks on each side of the front of the print engine are fully seated into these supporting brackets. Secure the print engine by reinstalling these 3 hex head cap screws. Remove the tape holding the 3 flex cables. Connect the 3 flex cables from the print engine to the main printed circuit board. Remember to lock the locking tab below the black flex cable by pushing it back up. Remove the 2 orange shipping inserts. Reinstall the left side panel by bringing it down and turning the 4 thumb screws clockwise. Reinstall the front panel by securely fastening these 10 screws. Reinstall the right side panel. And then finally, reinstall the print unit top cover by securely fastening these 6 screws shown here. Be sure to guide the actuator cables so they don't become pinched between the cover and chassis. Now that you've completed the physical print engine replacement, please follow up with an Astronova tech support team member to help you through the final setup steps. And that's it! Now you know how to perform a print engine replacement on the T3OPX. For additional tech support tutorials, please visit our online playlist. If you have any questions, contact tech support or visit us online at astronovaproductid.com.